morning everyone, and welcome back to Vlogmas. I understand I'm looking a bit rough today. If you're new to this channel, I promise you it's gonna get better soon. But it is currently Saturday, December 5th, 10 a.m. I made some oatmeal. It looks really pretty, I'll show you. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Anyway, some quick background on me. I'm an American, I'm from Colorado. I moved to Europe last year. I live in Germany right now. And today I wanted to give you guys a tour of my German town. It's very charming, it's very cute. It's very different. If you are in America, prepare to have your eyes opened, because there's more to the world than your modern suburban neighborhood in Colorado. Anyway, we're having breakfast with the view. So I'm gonna go into town and show you guys. This is a Vlogmas video, I don't want you guys to be confused. So it's more of a casual video than like a formatted one. So I hope that you guys enjoy that style. Let's get into it. Hi guys, this is the first place that I'm just gonna start off this video because it's very secluded and the only people who come here are stoners and they only come at night, so we're doing good. I have this really cute tree. There's the river here. It flows through the whole town. It's currently 2 o'clock, which means the sun's gonna set in like 2 hours. I came out here at like 1 and then I met up with my friends. I was gonna film, but then they saw me. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys around, not the actual like town and city. I'd rather show you guys like the cute, unique parts and like the cute neighborhoods and just like a more like the places that you know after a year and a half of living here. So yeah, let's just walk around. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into the video. Hi, okay. I'm well aware that this spot is ugly, but I got coffee. Which is actually bi-purposeful. Is that a word? Multi-purposeful, I guess. Because the hand warmer is fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go start like my little tour thing. The first place we're gonna go is like this very small neighborhood with a lot of cool doors, which sounds really dumb, but the architecture is just really pretty there. So I'm excited. If I'm acting awkward is because there's tons of people. Let's go! Cool door number 1. Also, right up there is a triangle-shaped library that reminds me of the Louvre in Paris. I took some pictures in there once a while ago before it was closed. I'll put them right here. Oh, that's cute. Instagram. If we're being honest, this is probably my favorite road in all of town. I've taken so many pictures here. I think it's so cute and charming. It's so secluded, but it's also like in the middle of everything, if that makes sense. So it's so easy to get everywhere from here, yet it's so like peaceful and quiet. I love this. Like, look at how cute. Oh, we're coming up on, okay, cool door number 2. Let's go, wait. Ah, wrong way. Cool door number 2. Cool door number 3. I always love coming here with my friends to take pictures of them. I'm now realizing this outfit would actually go really well against that blue door, but I have nowhere to put my camera right now. Something about this spot right here is so, like, it makes me so happy. I don't know why. It's cool door number 4. It's very much like Best Dressed Ashley vibes. You guys know I have a almost unhealthy Best Dressed obsession. Not in a creepy way. I'm gonna take my jacket off. It does make me think, because I took pictures here in January. And they were my first pictures that I was like really happy with. But it makes me think, I'm like, damn, that was January. Because it felt like last month, genuinely. It's crazy how much has happened since then. Anyway. One time, me and my friend were coming to take pictures here a couple months ago, and a man walks out of the door. These are garages, and we're like, oh shit, we're getting yelled at. But he actually told us that there was a photo location right up the road, so it was actually cute. So let's go. Look at the snow on the roof. It's so cute. Anyway, here's the door we're gonna go through to the location that the guy told us. It is silent in here. Tell me that isn't so cute. I mean, honestly, tell me this isn't so cute. I don't think, like, I realize that I live here. And it's, like, short term, so I don't know. I just love it. Okay. Next location. Here's another place. It's just like this cute plant wall. I enjoyed looking at it, and it makes me really happy. And I love seeing like all the life. I feel like it brings so much like life. Does that make sense? That's just me. Also, I'm sorry about this angle. I don't have a tripod. My phone, my camera is balanced on a step on top of my AirPod case to lean it up. Also, I do want to say, I promise I'm wearing a mask in concentrated areas. All the areas I'm in right now are secluded, so it is not necessary to, but if there's ever people, especially a lot of people, I got my mask on. I have yet to take pictures here, but I really want to. Usually there's much more people, so I should come on a day like this. Also, my hands are freezing, so I should probably buy gloves. But, next location. This next spot I can't get a good angle of with my camera being still or with me being in the frame. So I'm just going to show you as I drove voiceover. It's just this really cool pink wall. I love all the color in Europe, especially in Germany. What I've noticed is that people here love brighter neon colors, as you can even see, you know, down there, and it actually makes it so cute. So cute. This is one of my favorite spots here. It's this leaning house. It's so dope. It's actually quite terrifying because I think it's a hotel now. And imagine staying there. Like, I'd be terrified. I'm not even sure if the camera's doing it justice, but regardless, it is very cute. This whole area. Anyway, I mean, like, seriously, it's leaning. But also the house next to it is adorable. Like, look at the little blueness. I don't know. The river. So adorable. I feel like you guys are in like a video game. Like with the walking sound effect. Tell me that isn't gorgeous. Although I would not like my view to be another person's apartment window. Cute door number, I don't really know, but it's cute. You got another cool door. I want to share some of what is behind that. I'm going to show you this view from another angle in a minute, but wow. The smoke is so Christmassy for some reason. No, it's not. Okay. I'm in love with this house. It is so pretty. Tell me it doesn't look delicious. I said it too much. I've been watching too much Brittany Broski. I want you guys to look at this and just take a quick second to visualize what this would look like when all the trees are bloomed and it's all green. And then I'm going to show you a picture from my Instagram. I took those right here. It's so pretty. There weren't cars there. I'm literally out of breath. That's so embarrassing. I made a lot of progress today, guys, okay? So that's where we just were. And this is the view. Are you kidding me, guys? This is where I live. Also, this is why I'm so jealous of that house. Imagine that being your bedroom. There's another dog. Guys, I love it. Oh my god, I love it so much. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, that does bring us to the end of the tour. Thank you for coming. If you want to see more content, feel free to subscribe. I would love it. You can follow me wherever. Oh, but first, can we just talk about how cute my outfit is today? I know, I wear it like every other day. But like, why own things if you're not gonna wear them every day? I wash it. Sometimes.